50. That is a weird card. Maybe you could use that in... I don't know. Maybe you could use that in Commander? Because whenever you cast a spell, you gain 1 life for each spell you cast this turn. Pay 50 life. Either Flux Reservoir deals 50 damage to target creature or player. I don't really play decks that just gain life, but I have a few friends that do, and they are complete assholes, and we ended up letting one of them have like over 200 health. It was ridiculous. That pack was toured, so I shouldn't be worried about it, because I mean, it was sealed, or at least hopefully it was sealed. We have Declination Module, Hazardous Conditions, Aether Hub, and then our rare is Gonti, Lord of Luxury, whatever. In there. Second to last pack. Maybe we'll get a foil Shalandra. Get in there. Alright. We have Furious Reprisal, Fretwork Colony, Servant of Conduit, and our rare is Depala Pilot Exemplar. And an island. We have Bombat Bazaar Barge, Engineered Might, Visionary Augmenter, and our rare is Key to the City, and then an island and a Thopter. Alright, we didn't get no major pulls that I know of. Like I said, don't really know this set all that well, since it just came out. Didn't really do no research on it, see what was and was going to be good, other than I know Planeswalkers are pretty decent. Dovin, I don't, let's see what his +1 is. Until your next turn, up to 1 target creature gets -3, -0, and its activated abilities can't be activated. Its -1 is you gain 2 life and draw a card, and its ultimate is you get an emblem with your opponents can't untap more than 2 permanents during their untap steps. I'm pretty sure it's pretty good. I don't really use that kind of stuff. I mean, the -3, -0 might be decent, but I'd rather have it say -0, -3, because I'd take care of quite a few creatures on my buddy's deck. But the gain 2 life, that would be pretty nice if that was its +1 too, but it might be a little overpowered if we did those. Key to the City, Depala Pilot Exemplar, Gotini Lord of Luxury, or Luxray, Either Flux Reservoir, Territorial Grover, a Foil Speedway Fanatic, Kambala, Consult of Allocation, Bristling Hydra, Foil Dramatic Reversal, Shahili's Artistry, Lost Legacy, and a foil Electrostatic Pummeler. Now let's see if my fiance got anything decent. Let me go through her cards real quick. Sorry for the camera. She did not sort them out, so I will dig through her rares. She did kind of make it a little easy for me. was going to say, where's your rare in that one? Oops, dropped the card, babe. Oh, all your organization just went out the drain and down the drain because I just messed all these up. It's a pretty nice land card right there. Looks pretty good. Alright, let's see what she got here. She has Shahili's Artistry, Key to the City, Marionette Master, Venturous, Cure Hulk. Oh wait, she's got a Mythic here. Artifact Creature Construct, Trample. Distribute 4 1/1 counters among any number of target creatures you control. That's pretty decent. Dubious Challenge, Harnessed Lightning, Scrapede Scavenger, Pinalar, Either Squall Ancient, Eager Construct, Animation Module, and then Confiscation Coup. Alright, no real major pulls. That Mythic was nice. And in our next video, we will be opening a Kaladesh booster box. And if you don't know about those, it is a box full of Kaladesh booster packs, and a total of 36 to be exact. See you in the next video, guys. Hope you join us in the next video.